Hey everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today we're going to be going on a ride with a buddy of mine to South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. So stay tuned. Alright, we're starting out this morning. It's right about 7:30 in the morning, 68 degrees. You can tell it's a little foggy out here. So we're going to take it nice and easy. But we're heading over to a part of town here in Chattanooga to meet a buddy of mine, John. And he's very familiar with the area, so he's going to be leading us on a ride through South Pittsburgh. So I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're following John. We just got finished putting down some highway miles. We are, I think we're kind of close to the Nickajack area. Anyway, he says there's this great little mom and pop place that we're going to stop and grab some breakfast. So as early as it is, I could use some food. So that's where we're heading. One thing about this ride today, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. We don't have a particular destination. We're just going to cruise around and look at the roads that John's familiar with, and he's going to introduce me to those areas. So this should be fun. A lot of good scenery, hopefully. See, now he's just showing off. I'm really hoping he's going to take us over one of those bridges over there. No, instead he's going to follow his stomach. That's okay. I'm hungry too. Some good breakfast here. It's pretty good. It's probably the only place I've been to before where you can get your breakfast and a bait shop all at the same place. Still pretty cool. All right, we just finished breakfast and now we are on some bumpy roads going by the river. Pretty cool. There's a barge. Look at that. Pretty neat, right? I actually had some GoPro technology issues that caused me to lose about the last 30 miles, but hopefully gonna make it up with you guys. Pretty cool. One thing as a new motor vlogger that I'm learning, it's do not, I repeat, do not let technology steal the love of riding motorcycles. If your technology and your GoPros don't work, just ride. Cool little bridge here. Look. You know, as we're riding along here, let me just say I recently just hit 100 subscribers, and while that's not a lot compared to a lot of YouTubers out there, it is exceptional for me, and it's because of you guys subscribing to the channel, watching the videos, supporting me in that way. So thank you very, very much. All right, we're on some smoother pavement now. It looks like we're heading over a bridge. That was fun. Let's do it again.
This is where Tom and I usually park, right here.
All right.
You can walk over and stuff.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so the bridge that we just went over, John and I are walking over there right now. See if we can get a closer look. Apparently you can. John, where are we exactly?
Alabama.
In Alabama? So we're in Alabama. You know the name of this bridge?
No.
We're in Alabama somewhere, and we do not know the name of this bridge. Do we get to go back over the bridge, huh? Do we, John? Do we, John, huh? No. Look at this, that's cool. Little creek area here. That's really neat. That's pretty cool. Scary, yeah. Boom, boom. All right, now I wanted to show you guys this too. John's showing off again. Now he's taking off his helmet while he's riding and enjoy the breeze.
Breaking the law, breaking the law. Breaking the law.
John is a rebel.
I'm a loner, Daddy. A rebel.
Whoa! Do you guys, was that a coyote? I mean, I saw buffalo the other day. I think that was a coyote. Man, I wish I had John on the Cena. I'd love to know if he thought that had to have been a coyote. That wasn't a German Shepherd, for crying out loud. Look at these guys. You know, in my last video, I just made a quick mention that my dog Dixie was facing some medical issues with some heart issues she's having. And man, you guys commented all over that video about her and just wishing us luck and wishing her health. And really, truly, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate that very much. Thank you. Hey, is that Sequoia? Is that Sequoia?
No.
Which?
Sequoia's in Tennessee. We're in Alabama.
Okay.
That's telephone, I think.
Okay.
We're going to that 6 months.
All right. Alright, we are back in South Pittsburgh, which is about where we started from this morning. And I think that bridge right there we get to go across here in just a second. That's pretty neat. It's 3 bridges today. Alright guys, as we make our final approach to Harley-Davidson White Lightning, I wanted to tell you guys thank you very much for taking a little bit of time from your schedule and watching this video. If you would, please subscribe to the channel, like and comment. If you will do those things, I promise I will get back to you. Thank you guys again very much for your support of the channel, and I hope you have a great day, great weekend. We'll talk to you soon.